Lucas Martins, who, despite the pronounced weight cut, shadow boxing backstage at the weigh-in. So, seemingly no issues dropping down to 135. Hernandez trying to get inside, glancing blow with the left there. And you know, a proud moment for Pat Miletich, the longtime trainer, as Lucas Martins starts to open up here.
Oh, big right hand from Hernandez, a big left kick from
Martins up Hernandez. He might be out, Kenny. Hernandez able to recover, and Martins immediately locks it on the rear naked choke.
Wow, Hernandez, a big survivor, trying to get that rear hand out to try to escape the rear naked choke here, but Martins has it very tight now.
And Hernandez might go out here before tapping out. Nice job of surviving for Junior Hernandez here in his UFC debut, but that'll do it. Lucas Martins getting it done in his bantamweight debut.
What a start to that round.